Let's learn from Italy what actually happened in Italy, what can be used as an example so that it doesn't happen in Indonesia. The first case is announced, but some people consider it's just the flu. What is the importance of wearing masks? And think those people are overreacting, and they think that they are healthy and will not be infected. The first case was announced. The Italian government changed its mind. All businesses were closed except for supermarkets and pharmacies. The cause was because in a positive test COVID-19 there were more than 200 cases. Residents who leave the house must get a permit. This permit is obtained from a police post that is distributed in various environments which violates the penalty can be equivalent to 3 million rupiah. Positive patients who don't want to quarantine themselves will be charged with the article of the murder sentence of 1 to 12 years in prison. Then what should we learn from Italy? Let's start from ourselves, starting from home, always maintaining clean lines and isolation of self and family. It's time to start solidarity. Those who are able to help those who are unable. This is a form of effort and prayer all of us. Hopefully this corona storm will pass soon.